Well, this is Diamond cleaning her first puppy up. Yeah, it's 8:20 in the morning. June hasn't gotten no sleep. I ain't been awake. Fuck it. This is my dog. I'm here. We here. She's sick. I like this though. Look at that. Look how pretty this puppy is. See, she lets me touch him. I'm okay with her. What this little nigga need to stop doing is moving around and just stay still until his brothers and sisters get out. Matter of fact, that's a girl. Yeah, we got a girl on our hands. The first girl. That's what's up. I like signs like that. Girl. First quarter, fawn color, look like blue nose. As you can see, the mom's a blue nose, so it is. That's what I wanted right there, fawn color blue nose. Brenda looking, color looking one. But that's what's up. I love my dog Diamond. She's about to be pushing out another one. I'm not too sure. But I'll get back at you when that shit get ready. She's pushing.